From the director of Fantastic Mr. Fox and the Grand Budapest Hotel.
I am not your pet. I don't care about you. Don't ask me to fetch that stick.
됐지?
Comes an adventure.
We're looking for your lost dog Spots. Does anybody know him?
No.
Unlike anything you've seen before.
Wow.
I wish somebody spoke his language.
Isle of Dogs.
Well, I understood that. Sit down.
In cinemas March 30th.